Christianity is one of the key religions that is being followed in India. Like other religions, it has followers throughout the country, like temples and mosques. Christians offer their worship in church. There are stories of legacies behind many of the churches present in the country. These stories have made them a popular destination for tourists coming from across the world. Christianity has its own historical background and trends which are not far behind any other religion. So for the next trip, you can consider visiting some historical churches as an option. Here are some historic and popular churches of India. Basilica of Born Jesus, Goa. It is declared a World Heritage Site by the UNESCO. The Basilica Born Jesus is known to have the remains of Saint Francis Xavier. It was constructed in 1594. This basilica is recognized across the world for its Baroque architecture. This holy place has the body of Saint Francis Xavier. This peculiar fact about the church attracts a huge number of devotees and tourists. It is more than 400 years old and one of the most sought after places in Goa. Tourists get attracted to the basilica because of its sacred architecture and chronicle of Saint Francis Xavier. His body lies a silver casket inside the church. Santa Cruz Basilica, Kerala. Santa Cruz Cathedral Basilica is one of the 8 basilicas present in India. This fact makes it a famous heritage site of Kerala. It is embellished with Gothic architecture, which is a unique feature of this church. The Portuguese built this basilica in 1505 and it was made cathedral by Pope Paul IV. The Bishop of Cochin has rebuilt this after its demolition in 1660. It got decorated with a Gothic style of architecture and includes stained glass windows and paintings of Leonardo da Vinci. The famous painting is The Last Supper. St. Francis Church, Kerala. This is a European church. It is the oldest European church of India and situated in Kochi. It was constructed in 1503 and later got captured by Dutch during 1663. St. Francis Church has been listed under the Protected Monuments by Archaeological Survey of India (ASI). Vasco da Gama, the famous explorer of Portugal, his body was first buried here before it was relocated to Lisbon. His grave is still safeguarded in the church and it attracts tourists in a large number to visit this popular church. Our Lady of Immaculate Conception, Goa. This church was built by the Portuguese as a chapel. It is located in Panjim and famous for its Baroque architecture and its shape, which is in the form of wedding cake. Church of Our Lady of the Immaculate was erected in 1541 and its altar is devoted to Mary along with the 2 other elaborated carved altars. This church is famous for the ancient bells that was removed from the Augustinian ruins of the Church of Our Lady Grace. The bell is the second largest of its kind in Goa. The church has an entire white color building which makes it illuminate during the annual festival in March. St. Cathedral, Old Goa. This is the largest church in Asia and dedicated to St. Catherine of Alexandria. It was built in the 16th century of the Portuguese to celebrate their victory over the Muslim army. The shrine is surrounded by various ancient paintings and the interior architecture is of Corinthian style. It is said that a vision of Christ appeared on the right side chapel in 1919 and since then it has been a great Christian importance. It houses the largest bell of Goa, which is famous as the Golden Bell. It attracts a huge crowd of people for its detailed architecture and historical background.